Reporting live from what used to be the pits here at NHRL headquarters, and now has become nothing but storage and a zone for cleaning things, and we're doing a lot of cleaning. So let's check out what folks are working on the second floor here. Here's Bruce. Bruce, what's going on up there? Wait.
So we are cleaning up all null wires that have no...
What's a null wire?
Meaning it connects to nothing.
Okay, we have those here?
Oh yeah, so if you take a look to your left, you'll see close to like 50 wires that I've taken down in the past week. So what I'm doing is cleaning them all up and running clean lines so that we have a better network infrastructure and a more stable network with multiple switches that actually are useful rather than having thousands of long lines that may end up nowhere.
That seems important.
It's very important.
Well, thank you. Jimmy, what's going on over here?
Yeah, so we're trying to make some space so we can move the workshop upstairs and do some other stuff with the room downstairs. But
Whoa. Moving the workshop upstairs? Why?
just to make it a little bit easier on the builders so they don't have to go downstairs through the fans, we're going to try and get everything up here. So your pits is your entire one-stop shop to build and repair your robots.
Nice. It's looking different.
Yeah, there was a lot of stuff in here that we're finding different storage for. We're using some of it, but yeah, it's a big project, and it's nice to do a little summer cleaning.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, Jimmy.
No problem.
Josh, what are you doing up here?
I am removing some stuff that doesn't need to be up here. I am, there's a lot of bike parts and a lot of bike accessories that are just thrown up here, and I am putting them where the bike parts and bike accessories should be.
Which is elsewhere.
Elsewhere.
All right, well, it looks like there's a lot of stuff left to move, but keep up the good work.
Thank you, I will.
We're really rearranging everything. So like a lot of this stuff is the workshop from downstairs all coming up. So stuff that you know and love from the NHRL workshop, like the 100-ton hydraulic press, the lathe that kind of works, somewhat stable drill press, all the best communal tools. But let's check on the office and see what the people who are working in AC are working on. Shop dogs. Oh, only one. Buddy. All right, only one human working in the office right now, but a couple of dogs are holding it down, acting as security. But here's Colby. Colby, how's it going? What are you working on right now, Colby?
Good. Decompressing right now.
What does that mean? You got compressed video files that you need to open up?
Exactly, yeah. Expanding some zips, recovering some ads and such.
And Colby, you've paid for WinZip?
Yes. Yes, every cent of it.
All right, that's great.
Yeah.
So you heard it here first. We use officially paid for decompression software. Hi, Kelly. We're just doing a check-in for Inside NHRL and just wondering, what are you doing in here?
What am I doing in here? I just got off a series of calls from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and I was just working on a quote for a press release about our deal with Cheddar and trying to position how we want the league to be seen from an entertainment standpoint and how our builders are creators and all sorts of other fun things.
So, good positive work that's not really funny, but thank you for doing it, and surprise! All right, we're on the hunt for Megan. She's probably in the new Academy's packing room. She's not at her desk, and there's only so many places Megan usually is, and that's one of the 2 places that Megan usually is, so let's check that out. She's not in here. I don't know, let's go to the parking lot and look for Megan's car, and then from that, we'll know if Megan's here or not. Because she could be in the bathroom. Everyone poops. All right, reporting live from the window near the parking lot. Megan's car is in the parking lot, so we're gonna go ahead and continue our search. All right, I'm here with Brett. Brett has been pretty bored since the tournament stopped. Brett, how has summer break been treating you? Fascinating. All right, let's find Megan. All right, here with Nick. Wait, Nick, how's it going? What have you been doing all day today?
Pretending like I'm working.
Thank you for keep it up. Don't tell his boss. I don't know. It's locked. Okay, live from the locked meeting room, we have Megan. Megan, what the heck was going on in there?
Do they lock?
Oh, I must have not twisted hard enough.
I think that was the problem. That was a meeting with Reach, the creative team, to do website things with Crash Course.
Important stuff.
It was very important and good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'd like your microphone.
Thank you. I am at the back of the primetime pits where I can see all of the work that's gone into the workshop so far. And if you want to see all of the work that went into the workshop when it's finished, make sure you tune in next time for Inside NHRL. I will see you there. Bye!